What's up, Curlies? It's your girl Talise, aka Curly Tails, and I'm back here with another video. And today, as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be doing a short haul from Product Junkie Naturals. I bought 4 products from them back in January, and I already tried one of them on my channel, and that was the Honey and Hibiscus Gentle Cleanse. This is what it looks like. I'm going to link my review of that product down below in the description in case you guys haven't seen that video. I was really on the fence about purchasing from Product Junkie Naturals again because I had some issues when I was ordering from them. But this shampoo completely made the decision for me, and it just let me know that I need to continue to purchase from this brand because their products are amazing. The shampoo blew my mind, and I've tried it again off camera and it blew my mind again. I'm going to go into more detail about my experience purchasing from Product Junkie Naturals in a few moments, but before we get started with this video, I just want to say welcome back to all my subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, welcome, and make sure you hit that subscribe button right below this video. And if you have a natural hair channel and I'm not yet subscribed to you, comment that down below and I'll subscribe back. Alright, let's get started. The first thing I want to do is give a shout out to my husband Brandon. He is editing this video, so this is going to be the first video he's ever edited for me. So we're going to see what kind of memes and other things he decides to put in there. And just see what he does with the video. So I'm really excited to watch this, and I hope you guys enjoy it too. So I purchased these products from Product Junkie Naturals on January 18th. They were having a sale, so I was able to get 3 of these products for $5, and the other one was $6.99. I was really excited to try these products. I had heard about this brand from Steph MD25 and Essence of Coils. I will link both of their channels down below in the description. You guys should definitely subscribe. Like I said, I was super excited to check this brand out, but it took almost 2 months for these products to get here. I didn't even get a shipping notification from them until March 9th. So around February 18th, about a month after I purchased these products, I started to get a little bit worried because I didn't hear anything from them, and it had been a month. And I just was like, where are my products? What's going on? So I did go onto their website and try to send them a message and ask them about my order, and I never heard back. So until March 9th, I had no idea what was going on with my order. The good thing is my products did arrive 5 days later on March 14th, but that is almost 2 whole months. That is definitely way too long. Even if the brand is having a sale, that's way too long. A month max should be the time that it takes my products to get to me. 2 months is crazy to me. But like I said, this shampoo made me fall in love with this brand and completely forgive them for any problems that I had with my order. And also, the owner of the brand did send me an email on April 18th, and she apologized for any problems that I had. I'm going to read that email for you guys now because I want you guys to know how they handled this issue, and I really think they handled it well with this email because it felt very personal. And I'm a pretty forgiving person, so I don't have any problem with this brand, especially since their products are so bomb. So hopefully I don't have to wait 2 months for my next order, but honestly I would wait 2 months again for bomb products like this. So her email said, "Hey Product Junkie, I hope that you and your family are well at this time. Can I be honest with you? First, let me start off by saying how very sorry I am for any issues you had with your order from Product Junkie Naturals. I was going through ambassador applications and came across yours. I then checked you out on YouTube. I truly appreciate the honest review of the Honey and Hibiscus Gentle Cleanse. I watched and enjoyed several of your reviews of other brands too. Although I worked very hard to keep customer service as the focus of my mission, there are hurdles sometimes. Although there is never a good reason for terrible customer service, I can admit that I should have done things differently. But when you learn better, you do better, and I am working now to do better. I am not only writing this because of seeing your review, but this is something that was set in motion over a month ago. I decided to email or contact every single customer who ordered from us from Black Friday through February to apologize for the terrible customer service experience and extended shipping times that they endured with our shortness of staff and not preparing sufficiently for the influx of orders that we received during that time. So this is the reason I am sending this apology to you now instead of next week, since I had the pleasure of viewing your video. Your feedback is valuable to me, and I would love to hear how I can give you a better experience in the future. I hope that you can forgive me at some point for whatever wrong that you endured as a result of ordering from my company, and I hope that I can be of service to you again in the future. Thank you, Denise, CEO, Master Mistress of Product Junkie Naturals. I thought that apology was super professional and I really appreciated it, and it just made me feel a lot better about my experience, and I'm just hoping that it's going to be a lot better in the future. Alright, let's get started with these products. I'm going to start with the shampoo because that's the one I've been talking about, and then I'm going to go into the other three that I got that you guys haven't seen yet. So like I said, I purchased their Honey and Hibiscus Gentle Cleanse, and it was $5. This is what the shampoo looks like in my hand. It is such a nice, creamy shampoo. If you see my review of this shampoo, then you know how thoroughly impressed I was. Honestly, my mind was blown. After I rinsed my hair out and there was nothing in my hair, my curls were popping like I had just done a wash and go. And I love it when shampoos do that. That just lets me know that they left my hair so moisturized and just feeling bomb.
I have spoken.
One great thing about Product Junkie Naturals products is that they are pH balanced, and I've learned about the importance of having pH balanced products in your routine from my girl Jerry J. I'm going to link her channel down below in the description. You guys should definitely check her out and subscribe if you haven't already. She says you need to have at least one pH balanced product in your styling routine, and now I'm going to have a chance to do that because I bought 2 pH balanced stylers from Product Junkie Naturals. The first styler that I purchased from them was their Honey and Hibiscus Hair Milk. It's coconut oil free and it is 8 fluid ounces, and this is the one product that was $6.99. This is what the product looks like in my hands, and oh, it feels very nice, lightweight, but very moisturizing. I can already tell it's going to feel amazing on my hair. And it smells like the shampoo, but a little lighter. The Gentle Cleanse is pH balanced with a pH of 5.5, and this hair milk is pH balanced with a pH of 4.5. The next styler that I purchased from them was their Honey Whipped Flaxseed Gel Buttercream, and this is also 8 ounces. Like I said, I got this product for $5, so I really do love that sale. Getting products for $5 is one of my favorite things to do. This smells like cake, and this is what it looks like. Look how creamy and thick it looks. Ooh, oh my god, it's super thick. This is what the product looks like on my hand. Look at how thick and creamy that is, guys. I'm going to have to do some kind of twist out or something with this cream. I just checked out the ingredients really quick and they are great. And I also noticed that this cream has Coupoisou butter in it, which is one of my favorite butters to see featured in the ingredients list. It always makes my hair feel bomb. The Miche twisting butter has Coupoisou in it, I believe, and I just love that so much. I was able to do a one product wash and go with that butter, so I feel like I might be able to do one with this too. And the last product that I purchased from Product Junkie Naturals was, of course, a deep conditioner. I purchased their Rosemary Matcha Green Tea Deep Conditioner from their Rosemary collection, and it is also 8 ounces. This product is pH balanced at a pH of 5, and this is what it looks like. So it is creamy, but it's not super, super thick. It's got a very nice texture to it. The only thing I don't like about it so far is the scent. Yeah, it has a kind of like fall pumpkin spicy scent. It's like my least favorite type of scent out of all the scents probably. I hate fall scents besides like just straight up cinnamon or like apple. I can't do those. I can't do it. So I'm not going to like the scent as I apply this, but I'm hoping that the benefits just make it worth it. Alright, thank you guys for watching this short haul, and thank you Brandon for editing this video. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And even if you didn't enjoy this video, give Brandon a thumbs up for his editing. And make sure you subscribe, share, and comment down below any videos you'd like to see. Thank you for watching.